were super busy at Bespoke last week, and we ended it with a bang. Last Friday, I took our video guy, our head video guy from our media company along for the ride to do the final data log on the McLaren. He's never been in a car like this. His emotions, his feelings, his looks, his reactions are something you cannot even make up. Nobody could reenact this. You have to watch this video to the end. Check this out.
You can feel it.
Oh, yeah, that's not even half throttle.
Dude, I don't know. I might get car sick. Human beings are meant to travel about as fast as we can run.
Oh, yeah.
And I myself go slow. So my brain is not computing. Dude, if you go that fast again, I might.
We're not going that fast again.
I'm just being dead serious.
We just gotta try this other thing out.
Yeah, try this other thing. Oh shit! I'm gonna puke. God. Oh my god! I can't do that again. I'm not right now.
What is it? Is it equilibrium or what is it? What's going on? You feel like your brain's been scrambled?
No, I feel like I need to get out of this car. Oh my god, I'm gonna vomit. I can't look down like this.
You.
Oh my god. Holy shit. Alright. I might throw up.
Stop it.
Dude, I don't feel right.
Namaste, baby. Namaste.
My nose running.
What would make you feel better right now?
Get out of this car. My body feels like it's completely rejecting everything.
It's rejecting the petrol.
Am I flush? I feel like
So you want to hear this thing? It sounds way cooler like this.
No, I don't want to hear it.
You don't want to hear it? What do you mean you don't want to hear it?
Look at my hand. That's not a joke at all. I'm sweaty. I don't like this. Oh my god. Alright, that's it. That's the last one. That's the last one. I'm not kidding at all. I can't do it again.
Alright, we won't do it anymore. I'm going 35. So you don't see one of these in your future?
Yeah.
So even if you're like a big producer, director on a TV show or a movie or something, and you just got paid gazillions of dollars, this is not on your radar.
I might throw up. So I'm giving you a fair warning.
So it's not